Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an M2 Mac and administrative access. This matters because Rosetta 2 runs automatically for Intel apps, but needs install privileges. Once confirmed, open Terminal and try launching an Intel-only app or run a simple command like /usr/bin/arch x8664 /usr/bin/true to prompt installation. You'll see a dialog asking to install Rosetta. Accept it. This step installs system translation binaries and background services. So start now and let the installer download the required components. Once Rosetta is installed, verify behavior by inspecting the app or binary architecture. Use file or /usr/bin/arch to confirm Intel x8664. If you run CLI tools that require Intel, make terminal run under Rosetta by duplicating terminal in Finder, get info, and check open using Rosetta. Then relaunch. Make sure to run software update to apply compatibility fixes. These steps let you manage mixed environments. So configure terminal only when necessary, and keep system updates current to avoid translation mismatches. To finalize, reboot your Mac to ensure Rosetta services start cleanly and apps launch reliably. Test a problematic app, and if it crashes, inspect console logs for translation or compatibility errors and run /usr/bin/arch to confirm the process architecture. If Rosetta appears corrupted or missing, reinstall with sudo software update install Rosetta agree to license, then reboot again. One key troubleshooting tip: if an Intel app refuses to run, try running it from a Rosetta-enabled terminal to isolate GUI versus CLI translation issues before reinstalling anything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.